Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now here is no new coupons to print for the month of September, you guys. We're already in September. So I tell you guys this every single time I print my coupons. I always use swagbucks.com because I get paid 1 point for every coupon that I print, and then every coupon that I redeem I get 25 points. You don't get the points right away when you redeem them, or when you use your coupon. You gotta wait a little bit longer for that, but it does add up. And then what I do in a different browser is I print them with my husband's phone number, and that's how I print them. So I get paid to print coupons. So I'm working on a free Christmas. Once my son goes back to school, I can start working on a little bit more quieter videos because he will not be around to interrupt. But a lot of coupons did reset. If you guys see right here, the Skippy did reset, the Pringles reset. I think a lot of these also did reset if I printed them off. The Smuckers reset. But yeah, not much going on up here, but usually the newer coupons show up more in the middle. But I do see like the Axe and the Dove wipes reset. I'm not going to print those off again until I see a good deal. Windex and Scrubbing Bubbles has been around for like 3 months, you guys. It's crazy. Miss Charlotte's in my lap if you're hearing baby grunts. But we have $1 off Dove deodorant. We have $1 off the Freshetta pizza. We have $2 off Fairy Hair Care, which I'm not sure really what that is. But we do have a 4 off of 2 Colgate, so definitely print that off, you guys. That is an awesome coupon. Free toothpaste at Walgreens this week, so you guys can use that. Here we got a lot of Glade. Sorry you guys, I just woke up and I've had a rough couple nights. But here we got Boost, $2 off Boost coupon. Here we got 50 cents off of Pillsbury Place and Baked Brownies. Yeah! Dove deodorant, healthy ones. And then we got some Mazzetta, $1.50 off Mazzetta thing. I think that was available before and it may have come back. We got $1 off Glade, $1 off 2 things of Glade. Here you go, Miss Charlotte. There you go. Then we got some fruit snacks. We got $2 off Huggies, $1.50 off swim diapers, and then 50 cents off of wipes. I'm just going to print those off in case there is some deals on that, and you never know. We got Nature Valley. Here we got $1 off the 3 General Mills. Not the greatest. I know we do have some $1 off coupons. $1 off 2 coupons. Here we have Aleve, $3 off of that, and then these are all their regular stuff. Annie's, 50 cents on 2 packages. El Paso, 75 cents. Now here is a 4 off of 2 L'Oreal Ever coupon, and then another $2 off Aleve, and then 50 cents off Pillsbury, and then we have $1.50 off of that. And that, no, I'm just trying to see what's still available, but that seems about it for new coupons to print. The coupons that did not reset that I'm going to share with you guys, I knew they were not going to reset, is the Perel, and then the Tropicana, and the Crayola, and then I still am going to print off another Clorox because I didn't print off 2 of them yesterday. But that is new coupons to print. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hopefully you guys have a good shopping week, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.